If you are wondering if we have AI features on Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is yes, we have a couple of different AI tools that we can easily use on our smartphone. We have, of course, some of the basic Google AI tools as well, which are available for pretty much every Android smartphone nowadays, such as the Gemini or Google Assistant, of course, as well as Circle to Search. But besides that, we also have a couple of Samsung's AI features as well, such as Bixby, of course, which is Samsung's digital assistant, something like Gemini or Google Assistant, but this is, of course, made by Samsung. What is quite interesting is that it seems that Samsung actually maybe not gave up, but they decided to, I guess, use Gemini as the default digital assistant instead of pushing their own Bixby, because Gemini is pretty much used by default on Samsung Galaxy A27. But other than that, if you go to settings over here, you should be able to scroll down and go to advanced features. And here we have intelligent features, where you should be able to find pretty much everything that is related to AI in some ways, in one way or another. So here we can easily find out what is available on Samsung Galaxy A27 that is considered to be AI. So for example, we have the object eraser, which allows you to remove objects and people from your photos. You can, of course, get some edit suggestions as well while trying to edit a photo. We have custom filters as well, so you can create your own filter based on a picture that is going to be used as a reference. We have the AI select, which is, for example, available if you use the edge panels, the sidebar over here. In my case, it is actually now disabled, but you should be able to find it in there. Over here, we can also read what is provided with the AI select. So if you need to check it out, then of course you can do so now. We also have the option to make our phone read aloud texts like articles and pages in the browser. And also we have the voice transcription in the recording. So we have voice recording AI features, but also for call recordings apparently, which is quite strange because in my case I don't actually have a built-in call recorder, but it seems that we have the auto-transcribe direct voicemail option, which I guess is still valid because we actually do have access to the direct voicemail nevertheless. And most of the time, in order to actually recognize if a certain feature is AI or not, is by looking at the icon. So if you can see this icon over here, like these couple of stars, let me actually turn this off. So these couple of stars indicate the Samsung's AI feature. So whenever you see this, it means that AI is, this is an AI tool essentially provided by Samsung. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.